Should we start by saving you $3? I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. Fresh out this morning. This is called TaskMan AI, which means very little. But if you think about doing tasks, this is a freelancing business where AI does the work. So it's pretty much kind of like a Fiverr sort of thing. But instead of you doing the work and making $5 or $10, the AI does the work and makes all sorts of money. So it's a pretty amazing setup. $15 right now as it's being launched. There's a $3 off discount coupon code listed at my site. I'm going to get rid of that now. You come to my site at marketingsharks.com. It's all there. I'm including a demo video and all the upgrades and everything. I just want to show you the picture of TaskMan to start this up. Let's go right up there. Very nice. And let's just quickly run through. You don't have to do anything. You keep 100% of the money. It's a gig empire. So when you come to the site at marketingsharks.com, there's a demo video that'll show you how it all works. The front end is $15. So there's a $3 off discount coupon code, brings it down to $12. How many gigs at $5 you think you got to do? It's a completely done for you AI freelance platform built and ready to launch. And instant access to 10 AI freelancers. So you are, and the AI is doing it for you. Copywriter, designer, developer, virtual assistant, music creator, more. With a built-in client management dashboard, preloaded done-for-you services that sell themselves, one-click delivery system with automated fulfillment. Your AI dream team is already inside. So these are services that sell themselves on places like Fiverr. Pretty amazing. Let's take a little look inside. I want to give you that to start with. There's a lot of information on this page. That's what I wanted to show. So here you go. Here's how it starts. You buy this software, 3 steps. You've got an AI freelancing business with everything all set up. Flip a switch and watch it run without you. There you go. Click to launch your done-for-you freelancing. In one click, you upload your own platform. You can see it scrolling there. Again, you click the link in the video description. You come to my site at marketingsharks.com. You can click the product box. You can grab this for $12. What's next? Pick your AI workers and turn them on. Not turn them on like that. That's depraved. Turn them on, activate them. Want to offer copywriting? Boom. AI copywriter activated. Need a designer, developer, virtual assistant, musician. They're already in the dashboard. You click them and they're ready to deliver services to your clients. Next is you get paid. Clients sign up, services get delivered, jobs get done. You can see you're going, hey, virtual assistant will do these jobs for you. They have all sorts of different gigs that get listed, and this is a $12 thing. And here's just a fraction. Like I say, one click, it's all set. Pretty amazing. I'll let you scroll through all the information here. It's fresh out today. It's one of the up-and-coming top sellers called TaskMan AI. Click the link in the video description. Come to my site at marketingsharks.com. Grab the $3 off discount coupon code, watch the demo video, see a bit of information about it. You've got the basic idea already, and there's a breakdown of all the different upgrade offers that are possible. But the initial thing to build up that thing, have it built and ready to launch, $15 with a $3 off discount coupon code, $12. Click the link in the video description and go check it out. Fresh out today. It's called TaskMan AI. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. Go click the link and check out TaskMan AI. Enjoy.